In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change race with fragments in Blox Fruits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In Blox Fruits, there are 6 races: human, rabbit, shark, angel, ghoul, and cyborg. Whenever you join Blox Fruits for the first time, you will be assigned one of these races at random. Now, you will be able to get one of these races and reroll into other races. There are 3 main ways to get different races, and in this video I'm going to showcase the one that costs fragments. For this method, you will need 3000 fragments, so keep that in mind. Now, to reroll your race, you will be able to change to either human, rabbit, shark, or angel. Cyborg and Ghoul are going to be obtained through other means, but if you wish to randomly choose one of these 4 that I mentioned, human, rabbit, shark, or angel, all that you have to do is talk to Tort. So Tort is an NPC that can be found on the 2nd sea in the cafe and at the 3rd sea in the mansion. Whenever you talk to him, he is going to offer to change your race randomly for 3000 fragments. There are no exact chances. It is estimated that it has an equally large chance of obtaining any given race from the reroll. So, as long as you talk to him, he is going to reroll into one of the 4 available races. Of course, if you already have the race, you won't be able to get that one. So if you are already a rabbit, for example, you will not be able to reroll into a rabbit when you talk to him. So essentially, it is a 33% chance of getting one of the other races: human, shark, or angel. And you will be able to do this as many times as you wish. It costs 3000 fragments, and you will be able to reroll over and over. The other 2 ways are going to be through events or through Robux in the product shop, so keep that in mind. If you strictly want to use fragments and you don't want to use Robux, this is the only method to go about doing it. I hope I was able to help you on how to change race with fragments in Blox Fruits. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.